What's going on, guys? YC Gaming here. In today's video, we're going to be working on this, my 636 right here, my ZX6R. We're working on it. We're going to be replacing this master cylinder, I'm pretty sure what it's called, and we're going to be replacing it with the front brake master cylinder, I guess you should say. Replacing with this aluminum one. Reason is I want to switch the camera around, but that one's really faded, and I don't want it to crack and leak all my fluid everywhere. But yeah, so this is how the new one looks. It was kind of expensive. It's a PSA. It was like fucking $80 or whatever. So yeah, I didn't want to replace it with anything shitty. So we're gonna get right into it. Obviously, we have to bleed the brakes and stuff. I'm gonna try my best. And yeah, so let's get right onto this video. And new channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and let's get it. All right, guys. So yeah, this is how she looks. She's pretty freaking faded. It's not that great, but yeah. But I am gonna use this, suck out all the fluid in here, and then we have to bleed the brakes, blah blah blah. You have to find the caliper which is for the furthest, which is this one is the furthest, and then that one. So we gotta bleed the furthest one first, I'm pretty sure, and then you bleed the next one after. So let's get right on into this video. I'm sure you guys on tripod. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the reservoir, got everything right here. Got myself a water bottle so I can pump the fluid out. I'm gonna cover because I don't want it to eat my paint because the brake fluid will eat your paint. So I gotta get some microfibers real quick, or just find some sort of towel or something that I don't really care about. Or I can just even use a sweater because I don't care about the sweater really. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around right here so I don't get on anything, just in case. I don't want to make a mess anywhere. And I don't want to fuck my paint up. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna straighten these bars out. Unlock the bars, straighten that out so I have a little bit easier access to it. Something like this. Okay, that should honestly be good enough. Alright, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my tool set ready real quick. It's behind the camera. Sorry. Got my tool set over here. Wrenches and shit. So we got this. I gotta clean this fluid out anyway, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty dirty. So it's probably good that I'm taking it, replacing it. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this open with a knife real quick. There we go. Got this open. It's the best thing I could find at the AutoZone near me. So this is what I'm gonna do. Bleed the brakes as well because I have different fittings and stuff. So we'll make it work. We'll figure it out. So I'm pretty sure this will fit over the nipple down here. Like tester. Yeah, that should be alright. That looks like it's gonna work. So I'm gonna get this water bottle. I think I'm gonna cut a hole in the top of it. Or maybe I might just stuff it in like this. And just stuff it in like this. And I think it should pump out. Or is it this? I think that's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna try it out. I don't know how it's gonna work. But I'm gonna take this off. That fluid's dirty. Like, it's bad. I don't know if you guys can see, but this disgusting. So it's a good thing I'm changing this fluid as well. So let's see how this ends up going. Not too sure it's gonna work out. Nice. Yep, I'm pumping the fluid out, boys. Yep, we are pumping the fluid out. I've never done this. I've done like bleeding brakes on a car, but never on a motorcycle. I'm hoping it's the same concept. We basically got almost everything, at least out of that little system. Maybe a rag or something. We got that off. Let's see if I can find a little rag or something. Something that doesn't matter. There we go. I found myself a rag that I'm going to use. Oops, I spilled brake fluid on myself. Oh, that's the life of me, so that's okay. Gonna dump this brake fluid out into this rag. Oops. Shit does not smell that great, but that's alright. It's definitely fucking brake fluid, honestly. Clean some of that off my floor. Okay, that's cleaned up. We got most of that shit sucked out. So now I need to get access in here for this little clamp. I just want to make sure it's not going to spill anywhere once I take that hose off. So what I need to do is get access. I hope you guys have a good angle. Okay, you do. There's a little clamp back right here. If you see, okay, right there, there's a clamp right here that I need to get off. It's like a little weird clamp, but get this clamp off. I'm gonna move this clamp just like that. Clamp is off. So I like working on motorcycles because I can work inside of it in my garage. So it's definitely pretty freaking nice. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready. So I have to detach. This is a small ass fucking small boy. Open the garage door. This back door is pretty warm in here. So I need some circulation since I'm working on the bike. Then we pop this off, and I'll try a 10. I think it'll be smaller than a 10, but we'll see. Yeah, it is. I think it's like an 8. Looks like it's an 8. So that seems like at least. Let's see. I was correct. It is an 8 for this little mounting reservoir. We're going to detach this mounting reservoir from the bracket. And the other one should work pretty good because I've had that shit should be plug and play for $80 fucking dollars. So now I'm gonna be very upset for $80. So I'll let you guys know. And if it is good, I'll put it down in the description. If it's not, I'm not gonna even bother helping you guys with that. Because if it's bad for $80, I'm not gonna put something out to you guys that is atrocious for $80. So. If you guys don't know, this is my 12 box. We got my 12 box, we got 1/2 inch drive, we got 3/8 and we got quarters. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Get you guys a nice angle right here. I can obviously lower this a little bit, which is probably a better idea. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Because this bad boy is gonna be mounting here. I gotta figure out how to get these little mounting brackets on here, which I'm gonna grab real quick. Before I take that off, I wanna figure this out and how all this shit goes. So what it looks like is this one needs to go here. This needs to mount like this. Okay, so that is off. I'm going to unplug this. Okay. I'm going to slowly screw it off. I'm going to tilt it so it doesn't spill. I don't know how pressurized this is. But not too much. Now we're gonna put this new one on here. Should just be a plug and play, just like that. Oops, I got a little bit on my paint. You don't want it to eat your paint, so do not leave it on there. Alright, so that is on there. Then we're going to mount that to the bracket. And grab that screw right here, the 8mm, and then go like this. We'll put that screw in there. And you tighten it with your 8mm ratchet. I'm using an extension. I think it's a little bit easier with the extension on here. I know this is a very not crazy video, but it's something that needs to be done every once in a while. And that's super sun faded, and I would not feel comfortable with it, so I just ordered a brand new one. You don't have to order, there's cheaper ones, you can just get stock looking one, OEM looking one. But I wanted the aluminum, so I think it looks better and it won't get sun faded. So that's tightened. So now what we're gonna do, grab the vice grips, put this little clamp back on here. Be careful. Just like that, we got the new one installed. We still gotta add fluid and we gotta bleed it. Yeah, that's how it looks so far. She's pretty on there. She looks pretty nice, pretty clean.
Oh, that sucks.
I mean, I just raised it lower, so maybe they were seeing earlier.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that. You guys gotta get that nice little .4. It's like $15 to $10. Yeah.
Wow, dot fair is only $7.99.
.4 is a little bit more expensive. And then I have this lower mount right here, but obviously I'm gonna leave it for now. At some point I'm gonna re-bleed that, probably clean it, but I'm pretty sure last year I got that done by a shop. I'm pretty sure. So what we do, we'll pour this just up to there. I kind of made it a little too full, but it's okay. What we do, grab this. Notice I'm using this little bleeder thing right here that I got, taking it off of here. Grab this water bottle I was using earlier. We're going to go on this other side of the bike to bleed the caliper. The hose is just a little short. So like this. Alright, and then we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna grab, I think it was a 12 or a 10. I don't remember. I'll find out right now. It's a 10. But you guys might be able to see this part. I'll get back to you guys whenever I get to this other side. Alright guys, so basically I bled the other side. I didn't see no air bubbles. I bled it pretty good. And so we're going to start on this side. Basically you're going to pump it. I'm going to do like 5 or 6 times. Hold it, crack it, and then just keep rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So let's get right onto it. Alright guys, we just got done bleeding the front brakes, I believe. It feels pretty solid. I mean, it doesn't feel squishy or nothing. So I'll have to test it out next time I ride it. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. At some point, we're going to replace that rear one, but the rear one looks fine for now. Only reason I replaced this one because it looks like shit. So please like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on the next one.